Good morning, children. Welcome to the online computer class. I am Preeti Kumar. Before we start, let us observe 2 minute silence to pray for the peace within and outside, and also pray for everyone's well-being. Open your eyes, children. Let's get started. Okay, children, let us start PowerPoint. As you know, in the previous session, we have made one PowerPoint presentation. Let us open. So how we open? We have to click on the File tab and then we will take the help of Open option. But children, you can get it in the recent presentation also, so you can check it out. If your file name is reflecting here, you can choose it from here also. Okay, so my file name is here, so I'm just choosing from this. Now the file software is open. On the title bar you can see software is open. So this file, this presentation we had made on our last previous session. So now as you see, when I'm running this slide, you can see on this slide the text is appearing in the bottom, in the left hand side, and rest of the text you can see slide is quite empty. So let us enhance the look of the text using different tools. So see how we can do it. Now children, as you see here, this made by Rishi is coming at the top. So first thing I want that this name should come down, so because this change appeared according to the theme which we have taken. So which theme we had taken? We have taken the theme track. This is the track theme which we had taken on the last turn. So each and every theme which is coming here has a name. So like this, first thing what I do, click on this text. As soon as I click on this text, you will see this placeholder has come. It is a text box. Now I want to bring it down. So what I can do is simply I will keep my mouse pointer on this line, these dotted line, and when I bring my pointer here, you see it is changed into 4-headed arrow. It means this is move button. Okay, so move option is active, so you can just press your mouse button and don't release the mouse, left mouse button, and bring it down, drag it down like this. Now I want to bring it in the right hand side. So what I can do, you can see these resize buttons are coming on this text box. So simply I will keep my mouse pointer on it and you see it is coming into double-headed arrow. It shows that you can drag your text box in left or right direction. So I want to bring it in the right direction. So just simply drag my mouse button without releasing the left mouse button. So this way my text box is coming in the right hand side. Now I want to make some changes on this also. So just clicking on the software and you see again this text box appeared. Now again what I do, I'll just bring this box in the center of the slide. Now I want to make my text little big. So for that matter you have to select the text. So you drag your mouse on the text or just you click on it, then it will be selected, and now you can make any changes whichever you want. So let us see how we enhance the look of this. So I'll go to Home tab, and then first thing what I want that my text should come little big. So simply you know how to increase the text size, that you have to go on this font size button and click the drop down menu and choose any number whichever you required. And there is another method also, that then there are two tools, increase font size and decrease font size. So let us, because we want to increase the size of the font, so we are choosing this, and when you click on it you will see the size of the text is little bit increased. Further you click on it, you will see it is increased little more. So keep on pressing until unless you will not get the desired result. So I am clicking on it, and you can see I have got this much big size. Now I am satisfied with it. But again, once more I have pressed this. So I want to decrease its size. So what I can do, I can click on this decrease font size button, and you will see as soon as I press, the font size is little bit decreased. If you further click on it, then you will see it decrease little more. So this way you can increase or decrease the size of the font. You can do it with the help of shortcut key also, that is Control. Keep on pressing Control, Shift, and there is a greater than sign. And you press all these three keys together and you increase the size. For increasing the size of the font, you have to press Control, Shift and greater than sign. And for decreasing the size, you have to press Control, Shift and less than sign. So this way you can get the desired result. Now I'll make it little one big. Okay, so now again, what change I want? I want that it should come in the center of the slide. This text which is appearing in the left hand side, so it will come in the center. So center of this text box. So I'll go to Home tab, then Paragraph Group, and there are 4 types of alignments available here. These alignments are called horizontal alignment. So it is center, by default is left, then center, then right, and then justify. Just now you can see this yellow box. It shows that it is left aligned. Now I want to bring it in center. So I'll just click on center and you see the text is shifted in the center of the text box in the placeholder. Okay, so this way I have changed the size, alignment of the text. Now I want to change its color. So I can do it in 2 forms. First, you can go to Home and go to Font, and then you can choose the color from this drop down font color tool, and you can just check it out which color is looking good for you. Just you keep your mouse pointer on it and then you check it out like this. So I find this red color is little good, so I'll take a maroon color, so dark red. So I'll just take in this color. I have now what I want, I don't want this reflection of this text. I don't want this reflection. So I can remove this reflection. How? Just simply click. Again you have to select, because it is must to select your text wherever you want to apply any formatting effect. Now you can see this tab has appeared. Whenever you make any changes on the text box, this another tab will appear, that is Format, and you click on it. You can do it from here. So here there is a text fill. So if you want to change the color, you can change the color from here also. But now I want to change the effect of the text. So I will choose the text effect. And there you can see there's sub options: shadow, reflection, glow, bevel, 3D rotation, transform. Now I want to remove this reflection. So what I can do, just I'll click on the reflection and there is the first option, no reflection. So just I choose this. Instead of reflection, I need shadow on it. So what I can do, just simply again you click on this, go to Format tab and Text Effect, and then you can choose shadow option from here, and there are different sub options in the shadow also. No shadow, just now there is no shadow. Then outer shadow you need, or you need inner shadow, means it appears on the text. So here, or perspective, whatever type of shadow you need, you can apply. I need this one, so perspective diagonal upper right. So this, I think it is far better, so I'll choose this one. And even children, you can apply shadow from here also. Home tab, font group, and shadow. So this way I have made these changes on this text. Now I want to change this also, this text also, because it is coming little light. So I want to make it little darker and bolder. So for that matter, I'll go to Home tab, font group, and click on this bold button. And you can see it is coming little darker. If I want to increase its size, I will press the size of this increase font size button. So this way I have enhanced the look of this slide. Okay, now children, you can even change the background color of your slide. So how can we do it? Just click on the Design tab, and in your right hand side you will see this button, this option, Background Style. Click on it and you can see there are many options available. You can just place your mouse pointer on it and see which one is looking better for you. So you can choose it from here if you are not liking this yellow color, or you can have more options from this Format Background. And here you can get this dialog box. On this dialog box there are many options regarding this background fill. So you can choose, like if I want solid color, I can go for solid, or if I want gradient fill, I can go for gradient. If I want some picture fill, then you can do the picture or texture fill, pattern fill. So choose the pattern from here, whichever you feel like. So this way the slide takes that change on the background, in the background. Now I'm going for gradient fill. So this way I can go to choose this gradient fill, and if I want to change its direction, suppose the gradient is coming in the bottom, you can see it's coming lighter, and upper side it is coming little darker. So I can change the direction of the gradient. I can bring it in the side also. So you can see right hand side it is coming little lighter, and in the left hand side it is coming little darker. So this way you can even change the gradient direction of the gradient fill. Now if you want to apply this change on all the slides, then you can say apply to all, but I don't need. If even you want to change the color also, then also you can change the color also, like this. So just now I don't want, so I'm just choosing the previous one, or I don't know which one was that, so I'll say undo. Okay, so here if you make any changes sometime in your presentation, just feel free to use undo button. Okay, now because I want this change on my only first slide, so I will say close, and you see only first slide has taken this change. Now let me run, let me see how this will appear. So I'll just click on the slideshow button, and you see now it is coming in the more brighter form. So this way children, please practice and try to make some presentation according to your topic. Thank you children.